Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove contact photos on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contact app, select contact from here. After select contact, click on edit. If you want to remove contact photo, click on photo and click on this minus icon, and you will see click on save. Contact photo is removed. After remove contact photo, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove contact photo on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.